Welcome to Tasnirath Photography. Well, today we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to try to keep this extremely short for me, and that'll take a miracle. Anyways, I did my second flight today of my drone, and my Snaptain drone. It's flying really good. I managed to get some good pictures this time. I still didn't fly it very high. I kept it fairly low simply because of the neighbors and everything else, and there was a bit of a gust, a bit of a wind. It could have easily taken right off and landed in some trees. The last thing I need to have it land on the top of a tree, so I don't want to fly it high until I can get it out in an open field. Colin, I'm probably going to come out and visit you pretty soon once the snow's all gone, because you have a nice big field that I can fly in as soon as the wind dies down too. Those are two factors that I need, but it'd be a fun time to spend maybe an hour or so. Anyways, the only problem now I have found with Snaptain and why I don't like their battery compartment. I rather have the ones that lock on, so I'm looking at the Holystone next time around simply because of that very factor. As you can see, I took it apart. There it is right there. That goes in here, goes up in there, and that came out. That's already got a bit of a crack in it. You can see the crack right there. So I got to fix that up. I'll put some tape over that, and I can solder that back on with some soldering iron. I'll probably buy the kit. It's around $35 for 2 batteries. You can't even buy just the 2 batteries on Amazon. It's stupid. The ones they have for $25 are not the same ones. They're only 500 milliamp. These are 1,000 milliamp. You can buy them as a kit. They come with the cable that charges 2 at the same time. Well, I don't need that. I've got a charger. I can charge mine the way it is. But anyways, I guess I might be stuck with that down the road. In the meantime, I'll just get my soldering kit out and put it back together. So other than that, enjoy the flight. It worked really nice. I'm quite pleased with it. Other than that, minor things. And like I said, I even crashed it right into a fence, and you'll see that. But she did manage to fly pretty good. So here we go. Enjoy your flight. And this is the Snaptain SP650, I believe it was. So you can see it's, and actually I am surprised at the picture quality. It is exceptional. Very good for this cheap drone. It's only cost me like $100. And I think I even got a discount coupon of $30. So it only cost me like $70-80. So for $70-80, it's one hell of a deal. Okay, so enjoy and check it out for yourself. And before we get into the video, there's one thing more I wanted to say. Number one, I haven't been sponsored by Snaptain, okay? That's why I'm giving you also the negatives. No question on that. You don't see too many negatives where they've been sponsored. Everything seems to be pretty good. But there are negatives, and that is one of them is the battery, the way they go in. If you're not careful, you could pull the wire out, as you see on the other one that I pulled out. But I'll fix that shortly. I also want to mention, as you can tell from the video, this was intended to be a training drone. Okay, there's my other training drone. It's a cheap Chinese import from Wish a couple of years back. This is already about 2-3 years old. I wasn't happy with it. It flies, but it doesn't do what you want it to do. The camera is really crappy. This one, the camera is good. There's no question on that. I'm happy with the camera. So that being said, let's get on with the movie, or with the show you how it flies. You're going to see the onboard camera is what you're seeing, and that's done with the that's the other thing I was looking for. Any drone I buy has to have the SD card slot, because I do put it on to the SD card. Okay, so let's get away, up and away.